Well, we're going to be getting the pre-open rates in just a bit. So for the timing, let's address the markets. Anuj joins us for a quick, view on the trade setup today. Hi, Anuj. Morning.
Morning, Nigel. So clearly, there's a lot of risk factors right now. This global cues, especially with the way US market panned out. I think the jobs data, obviously, Prashant would have discussed that. That pretty much locks in a 75 basis point rate hike in November, and maybe even 75 after that. The other point that I want to discuss, which for me is important, is this unseasonal rains in north. That could hurt kharif crop, and that would mean a big inflation pressure going forward. Not immediately, but that's a very big negative which happened over the weekend. So just keep an eye on that. And the rupee, of course, could cross 80 to 75 today. Dollar index at 113. You have the Brent crude at 98, US bond yields inching up. And again, there's no clue on what is going to be the terminal rate. That keeps going up. And that is a big worry. That's why you keep falling on the same news again and again. In terms of setup, it's the buy on dips and sell on rally, which is working beautifully. The market's given you a bit of a range, 16,960 on the downside as per the options data. That would be the first line of defense. So let's see if we actually go there. And 16,818 is sacrosanct support. On the upside, of course, 17,400 to 17,500 is the range in which you have the 20-day moving average. And you have also very well-documented resistance because it was a big support for the market on the way down. So on the way up now, it's big resistance. Also, the options data indicates that that's where the call build-up is. My sense is today in the first half, you'll see a bit of an algo trade where the bank Nifty will be much weaker. IT may see some outperformance. On the bank Nifty, 38,650 will be first line of defense and 38,000 is very strong support. But in the second half, if the market does not fall a lot, in that case, the bank Nifty could actually reverse. So that could give you a good sort of risk reward. But let's see if the first hour low gets defended or not once we have the gap down.
Okay, Anuj, thanks a lot for that. Well, in pre-opening though, the Nifty is down about 300 odd points.